Jacey, I have the results of your PET scan and MRI.
I feel for Dr. Onco. I mean, most of her job is telling people they have cancer. The best news she typically delivers is...
Hey, you have cancer? You might survive if I pump your veins full of poison. Yay.
I don't envy her. Especially after delivering bad news of my own.
Oh my god, Jacey! Hi! Oh my god, it's been like 3 years. How are you?
I have cancer.
Wow, I'm so sorry. I got a dog.
Most of the time, I feel a strange desire to just protect the other person. Hey, so I have cancer.
What? Are you serious?
Yeah, it's breast cancer.
Oh my god! Oh my god, this is so awful!
It's fine. It's the early stage. It's, you know you don't have cancer, right? I knew if I was going to lose my hair that ultimately I was going to have to tell everyone about my diagnosis. I knew I was going to have to tell Fiona, the little girl I've been babysitting for since she was 3. She's very different.
Happy Halloween!
I love your costume.
Thank you.
Who are you supposed to be?
Frida.
Who?
Frida Kahlo. That's my favorite artist.
Oh.
I married another artist. Do you know their work?
A little.
I think it's very good, especially Frida's.
Okay.
Who are you supposed to be?
I'm Buzz Lightyear.
Oh, I've never heard of him.
From Toy Story, duh.
Fiona is now 8 years old, which makes it easier to explain cancer to her, but harder to tell her because she knows enough to know that cancer kills people. My dad used to say that you're not truly an adult until you consider all the children of the world your own. Fiona is not my child, of course, but I still feel a responsibility to protect her.
So, Fiona, Jacey and I have something we want to talk to you about.
Okay.
You seem like you think you might be in trouble.
Am I in trouble?
No. So, do you remember a few months ago when I told you that my mom had breast cancer and I, kind of explained what that meant?
Kinda.
Okay, well, it turns out that I also have breast cancer.
Okay.
Now, just like with my mom, it seems like it's an early stage, easy to fix cancer, so I'll just do some treatments and then I'll be fine.
So you didn't catch it from your mom or anything, it's just a coincidence, right?
Yes. Cancer isn't contagious or anything. It's just a coincidence that we have it at the same time. Although, cancer is genetic in some cases.
So you get the genes from your parents and then you have it, like having brown hair or being tall.
Exactly.
Do you know what cancer is?
Not really.
Okay, so your body is made up of all these cells, but some of these cells become deformed.
What do you mean by deformed?
They change their shape from being round into something different.
You know, like when you get a bag of M&Ms, right? And almost all of the M&Ms are perfectly round, but every so often there'll be one that's a little bit funny shaped.
I know what you mean. There's usually one in every bag that's a little weird.
Exactly. So one in every bag is totally fine, but imagine that you had a bag that had lots and lots of funny shaped M&Ms, and all those funny shaped M&Ms started to get together and make a big clump.
Ew.
Exactly, right? So that big clump is kind of like a tumor, and I have a tumor in my breast. But the good news about having a tumor in your breast is that you don't actually need your breasts to live. I mean, more than half of all the people you know don't even have breasts. Your dad, you, neither of you have breasts, and you're both doing fine.
So all you're gonna have to do is get rid of your breasts and you'll be okay?
Pretty much.
That's weird.
Yeah, it is, but that's what I'll do. I'll have a surgery and I'll remove my breasts and then have some kind of fake one to replace it. But before I do that, I'm going to do chemotherapy.
Chemotherapy is really strong medicine. The medicine that JC takes will kill all of the deformed cells, but it may also kill some normal cells, like the cells that make her hair grow.
So you won't have hair anymore?
Yep.
She may also be more tired than usual, and some days she may be too tired to work.
But whatever happens, there will always be someone to pick you up from school and take care of you.
Exactly. You don't have to worry. We have this under control.
But breast cancer can still be dangerous sometimes, right?
Yeah. Like I said, when breast cancer is just in your breast, it's not such a big deal. But sometimes those cancerous cells, they travel to other parts of your body. Like, imagine what it would be like to have one of those, you know, funny M&M-shaped tumors on your lung. How do you think that would be?
I think it would be hard to breathe.
Exactly, but your breath would be super chocolatey.
Right. A tumor isn't really made up of M&Ms.
Right. Do you have any more questions?
Yeah. Can I go play?
Any questions?
What?
Basically, the PET scan came back totally normal. You have no cancer in any other part of your body, including your lymph nodes, as far as we can tell.
Great.
And the MRI came back clear too. The only evidence of cancer in either breast is the tumor, and some DCIS and surrounding tissue. Jacey, this is good news.
I know, thank you. When Dr. Onco gave me this news, the clouds parted and the sunlight spilled across my lap. It happened the same way it did 10 months before when I boarded a plane the day after my father died. We all do this. You know, we look for signs from the universe. Maybe they're all in our head. I mean, I guess we do it to make ourselves feel safe. And in some way, to me, seeing the sunlight come through the clouds like that, it felt like my dad saying hello, and I felt protected.